Hello, Toyota of Easley. Coach Tina here from Phone Ninjas with your September 2017 monthly video review. I hope everyone is doing well. Let's go ahead and take a look at our board for last month and go over a couple of numbers. We have a very long board and most of our red is right here at the bottom, but I also know that we have a few new people here. So for their benefit, we're going to quickly go over the script, make sure everyone is on the same page. Remember in your greeting to always have an opening line. Good morning, good afternoon. Thank you for calling. Identify the dealership as well as yourself and finish every greeting with, how may I help you? Qualify. We have two ways of qualifying for a specific vehicle. They know exactly what they're looking for. That is a really nice vehicle. We've actually had a few calls on that already today. If they're unsure what they're looking for, take the time to go in, ask 3 to 5 closed-ended questions, gather all the information you can to help your caller find their ideal vehicle. Do you prefer lighter or darker shades, cloth or leather, two-door or four-door? Any question can be qualifying. Just use the closed-ended either-or format. Contact information. Before sharing any pricing or availability, ask for your caller's contact information. What is a good number to reach you at? How do I spell your last name and your first name is? Let your caller know it could take 10 minutes to gather the information. Always use your inventory as leverage. Asking for your appointment, always ask with authority. Forget would, could, or like. When is the keyword. When are you more available? And then offer 2 times, now or later today, 3:15 or 4:45. Which works best for you? Objection techniques are at the bottom of your script. There's one for every situation. Remember to always ask for your appointment 3 times. Don't forget to try for a tentative appointment. Closure. As much as you need to know who you're talking to, you want your caller to know who they are talking to. Sell your information. Ask your caller to write it down. Do you have a pencil handy? I have something important for you to write down. Remember that phrase. Don't say, I want you to write down my name, my number. Sometimes when they hear that, they think, I'll remember it, drop the pencil, and never write it down. But if you say, I have something important for you to write down, write this down, please. Then spell your last name, say your first name, my direct dial number is, and I'm going to send you an email. Should I send that to your home or work email address? Have more than one way to reach your caller. End with directions. Leave a clear visual, step-by-step map from their house to your door. All right, guys, let's take a look down here. Awesome job here. We only had 5 calls that were not reviewed. We have one for Scott, one for Derek, one for Christopher, one for Chaz, and one for Andy. I think those probably came in over the weekend. Awesome job, guys. Beautiful, beautiful work. We can also see here that we were down and boom, we're up 3.44. Awesome job, guys. Beautiful work. Let's keep this going in this direction because we have a habit of doing this. We want to only keep going that way. Here we are here. We're blue, they're gray. We can see we're above. We take a little dip here and then we're heading up. Beautiful work. No complaints here, guys. You're awesome. All right, let's come down. I need a new mouse. Sorry about that. There we go. Call quality. All right, here we are. 13 appointments. Awesome job, guys. Beautiful, beautiful work. We had 3 poor calls, 5 below, 10 average, 19 above, and 16 excellent. Awesome work. We just need these over here. We do have to watch this though. We offline 26 calls. Remember, it's always best to keep your caller on the line, collect the information, and ask for your appointment rather than to offline your calls. I just thought of something. I should be able to get you that information right now. Place your caller on hold, collect the information, come back. Thank you for holding. Based on our inventory, we have great availability. And speaking of availability, when are you more available? Now or later today? Remember, always with authority. All right, let's go to certification. All right, we are at a 40% rating for our appointment set ratio. Awesome work. We are shooting for 50, but super job. We keep heading upward. This is really beautiful. Look at all this. Look, almost everybody is certified. We just have, 3 people. That's all, and 2 of you are almost there. Thank you all so much. Please keep up the good work. always go to your dashboard, refresh, watch the videos, take the test. Always keep 100% up to date with your techniques. The better the calls, the more appointments we're going to set. But this is awesome, guys. Thank you so much. All right, we're going to come back up here. I'm also going to share with you that we moved in the rankings. Since our scores went up, so did our position on the rankings. In August, we were 114. We moved up 19 places to 95. Awesome job. All right, guys, I'm also going to take a moment here. Let's come over and look at the service department. All right, here, nice job. We're doing pretty well here, except for closure. Remember to always ask for your caller's email address. Have more than one way to reach your caller, and ask about installing. Are they planning on installing their part, or would they like us to install it for them? Right here is another problem. There are still 14 out of 20 calls waiting to be reviewed. All right, we have one for Jacinda, 12 for Jane, and one for Tony. Please watch for your emails. We need to stay on top of these. This is how we improve our calls. We hear where our mistakes are. All right, because we're kind of going along on a little steady pace here. We did have a drop. Here's a good visual right here. We're blue, they're gray, boom. We're sliding right off the cliff here. And right here is your objection techniques. Okay, we need to keep on board here because we're dropping right off for closure, which is represented right here. All right, guys, awesome, awesome job. I look forward to talking to you again next month, where I'm sure we're going to continue this path heading toward a 4 and up. I want to see lots of perfect calls. Every one of you deserve to be in the perfect call contest. All right, have a great day. I'll talk to you later.